Hey guys, let's take a quick look at this set of Workpro wheel lug sockets. All right, so right off the bat, what I like about this kit is it's nice and compact. Kind of covers your bases of 15, 17, 19, 21, and 22 millimeter. Color-coded. There's also a spot here telling you what size you got, a spot on the side telling what you got. And here's something I really like, is they got these little spinny plastic sleeves. So if we're working on some nice chrome wheels, right, you're not scarring up the wheel by going metal on metal. And this plastic sleeve, if it's kind of down in the wheel, will spin and not abrade the wheel. So nice little setup there. Okay, kind of our case in point here. We'll pretend these are really fancy chromed out rims. We've got our whole kit in front of us, so we don't have to bring out our whole socket set. I'm going to throw this on our 1/2-inch rattle gun. There we go. And we're not scarring up the inside of these rims, even though we're knocking this thing all over the place because apparently we have no control over our body. So, keeps everything nice and safe from being scratched up. And you got the whole kit you need right here. On to the next one.